It's beautiful.
And look at this. Oh, I like that it's on here in the tongue and it's not in the bag. The platinums, I think they're called.
The phantoms.
Oh, the phantoms. I said the platinums.
Oh yeah, those are nice.
Let's see.
Yeah. Those are
Open them up and see how nice and clean they look. How they come in the box.
That is nice.
I like all these little designs, like the Nike Air, the Jack, cactus, the little faces.
That's nice. Yeah, it's so amazing. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You work hard. You deserve it. Now let's see how beautiful these shoes are. Woo!
Zoom in right there. There you go.
Let's see. Let's see.
There you go.
Oh, they come with bandana.
That's nice.
That is
That's
nice.
really nice.
Oh, it even has like a purple on
Yeah, it has
here.
like I think it says like Cactus Jack
Yeah.
Flight.
I didn't. Oh, that's cool.
Never paid attention to that.
Yeah, me either.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Take that. Oh, yeah, these are nice. You get that nice quality leather on there.
Mm-hmm.
That's beautiful.
And look at this. Oh, I like that it's on here in the tongue and it's not in the bag. Usually I think it's in the bag, but this time he did different.
You see that Cactus Jack right here? Gotta get in the right lighting. Get that Cactus Jack to shine. That's beautiful.
This is a little bit, the back seems more fuzzy than the front.
Yeah, it looks like it's like a
And they
thicker
got the
suede. He did that for his daughter, I think, when he did that. So that's like for his baby.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. This is really nice.
What laces comes with it?
We got black and white, fat
And red.
laces, and then red laces. I would do the red.
I would do the red too, just to have them like pop and shine and like notice it a little bit more. 2 bandanas.
Yeah, these are nice. Get a nice smooth finish on here. Just wait around the tip. And there's clean bottoms. Yeah. And with the black laces.
Oh, comes with black too. Oh, that's cool.
Cactus Jack in there. That's nice. Add this to the collection. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Overall, I say 10 out of 10. I like those. They're like one of my faves.
Yeah, I think these are 10 too.
I know a lot of people don't like them.
On the edge and it has like that wool. It's like a wool.
Yeah, it's like wool.
It's like a wool feel around it. It's a little bit different than the
So is
others.
this in the back the same as this in the front?
I think this is more smooth.
I think so.
And then this is more rugged.
Yeah, and inside it's more like, it feels like cotton.
Yeah, it has a more rugged feel, and then it has like the wool on the inside. All in all, I'm gonna have to give these like a 10 out of 10. Out of the collection of all his shoes, just in general, I would say these are up there. These are in the top 10 for sure. Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.